Hi friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be making acorn squash fries in the air fryer. So these are a very healthy alternative to fries. You just need acorn squash, olive oil, and any seasonings you'd like. I'm just going to use cinnamon. So to make acorn squash fries, you need to cut the squash in half. And we cut it like this. So don't cut through the stem, but cut it in the middle instead to make the curly shape for fries. Now once you cut it in half, you need to remove the seeds. So just scoop the seeds out with a spoon. And now once the seeds are removed, let's cut them in half again. And then slice it into thin wedges. So this is going to be the fries. And at the end there is a part just with a peel. I'll throw this part out. So now this acorn squash is sliced. So we can put the pieces of squash in the air fryer basket. And sprinkle them with cinnamon. And add some olive oil and toss to coat. Make sure you toss the coat on both sides. And once the acorn squash fries are coated with oil and cinnamon, let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now let's set the temperature to 400 degrees and set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's flip the fries over so they cook evenly. And now let's put the basket back on the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking the acorn squash fries, so let's take a look. Perfectly cooked. They're so healthy and delicious. This is a great low-carb alternative to fries. So easy to make these acorn squash fries in the air fryer. They're naturally sweet and so delicious. Now let me try it. So soft and tasty, and the skin is edible and very tender. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.